I would like to call Shravan Bhai because this spark has been discussed in the tennis court, and these are the people who are giving the positive response. So that's why we started WhatsApp group, and we started adding WhatsApp group, and we thought of doing it for 20 members. Okay. So people started adding many people again actually. So now I can see 125 people who registered in the WhatsApp group, and more than I think 80 people who are interested in this event actually. I think big clap to them. See, we should continue this Josh. We should continue this Josh actually. We should not stop it here. And then just a few minutes actually. You can play that video. Play video. Welcome video. I will not take much time actually. See, this is not the first event, but we started with many small events. As you know, Ganapati Festival last year, where actually we contributed as Aqua Pies actually. Who contributed for the small lunch actually to Ganapati, where Ozone has organized the Ganapati Festival. Last year also we celebrated in a big way actually. That's how like we started dance with the Ozone employees. That's how our bonding has started with the Ozone employees. And then actually in between we celebrated Dandiya. It was in October, and again actually we started. I think this is a big show actually after 2 months. I think it's a good response. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಸತ್ಯ, ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ನಿತ್ಯ, ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಹಸಿರು, ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಉಸಿರು, ಸಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೆಲ್ಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಯೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಸರ್ ಕೆ.ಸಿ. ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಸರ್, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸರ್ ನೀವು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸರ್ ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಶುಭಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಲೀಲಾವತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಇವರನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ವೀರೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಕಾರ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಈ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
ದೀಪ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ತೆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಡರೆ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ,
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸರ್. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್.